Alright, well, this is my steam engine. It's not too bad, it works, runs. Bicycle wheel, I know I'm a little close, but it's dark, so I got this light over here. And I got my valve up here. I got the gearing for the valve, and then I've got my piston, which actually I've got a 14mm socket inside there for a piston. It's working out pretty good. But yeah, let me show you what this bad boy can do. Alright, hold on. Let me get some air on here. Alright, it might get loud a little bit. Yeah, it takes quite a bit of air, but it runs. I just gotta work out a little bit of kinks to make it run a little bit lower on pressure, but it's running. I just gotta work out a couple small kinks and good to go. Well, post me. Alright, comment, whatever. Alright, bye.